Hi, I'm Ashley, creator of Nomster Chef.
Nomster Chef is a website with illustrated step-by-step recipes designed to help kids age 2 to 12 learn to cook with their grown-ups. You probably don't need me to tell you that childhood obesity is a problem, or that kids don't eat enough veggies. But you might not know that kids are more likely to try food that they've helped to cook, or that people form their lifelong eating habits in childhood. Nomster Chef is on a mission to raise a healthier generation by teaching kids to cook. Every recipe is tested with real families to make sure they're easy to cook and taste great. Many parents have told me that cooking one of the Nomster recipes has helped their child try and even like a new food.
Nomster Chef helped my daughter try raw broccoli for the first time, which she ended up liking a lot. It made it easier for me to convince her to try new vegetables.
And kids love cooking with Nomster Chef too.
This is one of the best chicken fingers in the world.
Really? Who made it?
Me and Mama from Nate Nomster.
So how does it work? My nephew Ben's going to help explain it.
First, you choose the meal you want to cook from the recipe library. Then you open the illustrated recipe on any device. Next, you collect your ingredients and tools. The recipes are broken down into easy to understand steps so kids and their grown-ups feel confident while cooking. Pictures help kids age 2 and up follow the directions. The friendly Nate Nomster character guides kids through cooking, and there are tons of learning opportunities sprinkled throughout each recipe. The best part is that you end up with a meal the family can nom together.
Want to get Nomster Chef for the kid chef in your life? Sign up for a subscription at nomsterchef.com/try it. Happy nomming!